Alright, what's up everyone? Have you ever wanted to trap some random little kids inside of here?
I'm here. What the heck?
Oh,
Yo, I have the best barbershop in Grill Tech history, bro.
Walk sim user. I literally just met a ghost.
bro, that was just
How much of that is not even real?
Yeah,
Is anything loading for y'all?
That's what his name was.
I got a whole entire barbershop, bro.
A whole entire barbershop.
Yeah. So let me show you guys what it actually is. Let's just wait until loaded. Oh yeah, this is what it is. So this video, what you're gonna want to do is place it like on the edge of here, right next to which is your name. And then after that, like you're gonna wanna like put the whole thing on the leaderboard. And next you know you wanna get it from the bottom, make it go from here to there so no one could leave. Next, trap people by going like that, but they could budge through it, so be careful while making that part. As you can see. Okay, good thing I don't have that thing. So what you're gonna wanna do is like, you're gonna wanna take something like this. Like you're gonna wanna take it all the way to that door part right there. Oh, whoops. I wish I could load maps like inside of random lobbies. Older than you. I hope I'm not doing this wrong or anything wrong. Oh my god, what the heck was that trick shot? Oh my god. Boom, grab. Why did I grab that? Alright. So as soon as you get to the door, it should be like, so you're able to lock it. You have to try to get it like on top. But the technique that I'm doing, like it's gonna be way more different, but it's alright. Ooh! Alrighty. And it's not going through the wall, it's a good thing. Oh yeah, it's basically like you're able to do a roleplay. Oh! It's forcing me to stop. Look, so like you could throw it on the top of it and it's gonna force it to stop. So what you're gonna wanna do is try to place it. Alright. Let me see how much it's really able to handle. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna try something. If it still comes off of your arm, then I should... Still going forward, but like in inches. Because that's gonna be like impossible to do. So it needs to be 2 blocks each, I think. There we go, I'm almost there. It'll be like in one block each. Alright, so let me grab the bottom of it. No, it like stopped my thing from growing. Why would it do that? Using the thin blocks is good for this part right here. Dang it! I think it deletes it like on the 4th one, on this one. Bro, I didn't even try to get it. And I might show you guys a tutorial on how like to make it. Dang it. I must make it 3 of them. I'm not sure if you guys don't know how to do a tutorial so where people should get stuck at like, I mean, at this part you start to use these blocks. What? Alright, what in the... How? Hey? No, I can't. Alright guys, so that's the full tutorial. So that's the end of the video, or the tutorial on the video. Goodbye, and I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving where you live, or if it's gonna be Thanksgiving on where you live. And peace out, making more videos soon.